are here at Static Struggle Burgers and Burnies. All the drift cars, and I think some of the burnout cars are there too. And then the car show's up there, and then we will be drifting right there. So yeah, this will be exciting. Probably get some more videos of the cars and stuff. But there is the body kit. So hopefully we don't ruin it too much today. I'll see you later. That felt really good. I know you don't have a lot of angle, just try little movements. So after that guy said that to me, it kind of made me think about my driving more. I feel like I kind of was just driving to drive. I wasn't really thinking about too much, just trying to stay in drift the whole time and not focusing on my lines. And yeah, after he told me to throttle around the turns, I kind of noticed more that every time I initiate, I let off the gas like basically instantly, and I never throttle and keep my speed up when I'm turning. So I did try it a bit, and every time I would give it gas, I would kind of get pulled outside instead of inside, like almost like when you drive on ice, where if you're like getting pushed to a corner, you kind of want to just let off the gas instead of just give it more to, you know, increase traction basically. And yeah, and I figured it was probably because I run 45 psi in the rear and 35 in the front on 225s. So yeah, that basically meant zero grip. So I decided to bump down my psi in the rear and the front. So I want to try 25 in the rear and 27 in the front. And if it's like way too much, then I'll just bump it up a little bit again. But I think that's going to help a lot with that issue that I've been having. And I've been really bad at doing tandems. I don't know if it's a mental thing or a skill issue, probably all of that. So hopefully having more grip now will give me more confidence and being able to just stay on throttle basically the whole time. But yeah, so my next event, April 4th, back at South Mountain, and I also got a trailer, so now I'll be able to normally bring my car to events. So pretty excited, you know, new tire setup, new trailer. So if something breaks, at least I can still take the car home. So I'm really hyped about that. But yeah, back to the video. I got too carried away with his tips.
Well, every drift event, you know, there was my spin out, you know. You gotta at least spin out once.
Deep at this point.
Yeah, I should. No.
You don't?
No.
You're really just running on these socks?
I spent all my money on the body kit.
Dude, it's KBD, right?
Nah, Origin Lab.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you think it's better than KBD?
Oh, yeah.
Fuck, that's my mistake. I had a KBD front end, bro.
Oh yeah, track is There we go.
There we go.
That was super close to the wall.
Thank you.
Remember that video of the Hellcat drifting on YouTube?
Yeah.
There were a bunch of people in like the back seat. You know what I'm talking about?
All the corridors.
Yeah. He brought the whole thing.
So that is it for the Maple Grove video. I'll see you guys again once I go back to South Mountain. Hopefully more tandems will happen. Hopefully this new tire pressure that I'm trying out is gonna help me improve my driving and improve my confidence for sure too. I'll see you guys then. Peace.